Hi Travis, so today we're taking a look at this here, which is the Bellroy Via backpack. Now this is a 20 litre sort of work EDC bag, and this is in the really nice sort of sand colour. If you take a look closer at the finish, it has this really nice sort of texture that is very smooth and comfortable. So far I've noticed it hasn't actually picked up any marks or anything, which is very interesting. Now this bag is reasonably minimal. There's no pockets on the front except for this small one on the top, which I currently have sunglasses in. It does have very nice water resistant zippers. The top handle is very comfortable, easy to hold, easy to grab. The straps here are very comfortable, padded as well, and they also have this really nice strap keeper on the bottom, which stops the straps dangling, which I love to see. No other pockets on the bag. It is, as I said, very minimal, which is great if you don't want like a really minimal business sort of bag. The zips are very smooth. This one is designed so that when you open it, it doesn't open fully clamshell, but it opens like this way. So it gives you easy access to this front mesh pocket, which I just have a power bank in, but there is also a lanyard for your keys. You could put charging cables or other things in there. Now this laptop sleeve is suspended from the bottom, very nicely padded, and I have my Surface work laptop in there. I do kind of wish there was a few more pockets, like just a few sort of bits of organization, maybe like a pouch here, just sort of to divide things a bit more, maybe even like a water bottle, sort of a stretchy mesh on the sides. But I can see that it is designed so that it's more customizable. So if you had more packing cubes like this one, this is the PGY Tech. I just have a mini tech pouch in there. So you could put something like that in the middle, or like a rolled up jacket or something like that, just to divide the area a bit. But even with those in there, there's still quite a bit more space to carry quite a bit more. But like I also just have my umbrella and a water bottle. I did find when you put a water bottle in there, you kind of want to put something else next to it just so it doesn't tip over. But overall, yeah, I found it to be a really nice pack to carry for work and EDC. You will notice this little Bellroy tag down here. This actually has a little pocket on the back, so you can actually put an air tag in there as well if you did want to use it in that way. So that's it, a quick look there at the Bellroy Via backpack. A very nice small 20-litre backpack for EDC work, and a very comfortable way to carry your laptop. If you are interested in checking out, there's links in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.